Welcome to Tech Solution.
How to set up ASUS Wi-Fi router. Step 1. Connect the router. Power the router by plugging in the power cord. Plug one end of the network cable into the WAN port of your router. Plug the other end into a LAN port on your modem. Turn on the router by pressing the power button on the back or top of the router if it's not already pressed. You can now set up the router. Step 2. Set up the router. Turn on Wi-Fi on your phone. Look for the standard network of your router in the available networks and log in with your password. Start the ASUS Router app. The app will look for available ASUS routers in the network. As soon as it has found a network, you'll see a 1 next to the option "I want to set up a router." Tap this. Select your router in the next screen. The application will now receive information from the router. This will take 10 seconds at most. Afterwards, press Start at the Quick Internet Setup. Choose a network name, SSID, and a password for your Wi-Fi network. This is the name you'll see when you look for available wireless networks. Press Next afterwards. You can now create a username and password for the router. You can use this data to set up the router, so they have nothing to do with the Wi-Fi network. Choose Next after the setup. The router is now set up and it'll restart. When the router has started, you have to look for the Wi-Fi name you entered in the Wi-Fi settings of your phone. When you're connected, you can use the ASUS Router app to continue the setup of the router.
Thanks for watching.